Well guys, to be honest, I lied to you.
Good morning, happy Sunday guys. We're making homemade cinnamon rolls.
Showing off, don't wanna have to wait tonight. Wait tonight, bets are off. I'm gonna.
1 hour later.
Oh, you're gonna help Daddy?
Okay, Lincoln, you get the fun part.
Good morning guys and happy Sunday. Welcome to today's vlog. Mommy is going to go get coffee. Lincoln and Daddy are gonna finish the cinnamon rolls, get them on the next step, and then, yeah, hopefully soon we'll have some cinnamon rolls.
Yeah, good job. Punch it down. Punch it down. Punch it all down.
It's on my hand.
Okay, you ready for this? Go like this. Good job.
Oh, good job, Link.
It needs a baby's touch. Good job. Way to go, Lincoln.
Wait tonight, wait tonight. Won't you talk to me? I wanna heal your sorrow. Won't you talk to me? We'll make a new tomorrow. Won't you talk to me? One night to find the answer. Won't you talk to me? What makes this happy faster? What makes this happy faster? New tomorrow, new tomorrow. Heal your sorrows, heal your. What makes this happy?
Here's Lillian's.
I'm not gonna lie, I doubted this man.
I gotta go brush my teeth. That's how sweet it
I
was.
didn't think the cinnamon roll would be.
That was on point.
As
I know
good.
what I need to do next time to make it
No,
even better.
that was legit. I love you.
Excellent. Here's how you double the yield. I made them this big. I'm gonna make them this big and make that much more. Because one was not enough, I gotta admit.
Yeah, it was. I liked it.
Well, it
big like
was,
that.
but I don't
Look.
want to go through all that effort
Look.
for one.
He's almost got himself.
Do it. You gotta do it if you're willing to take that risk.
Climb
might
out the
hurt.
window.
It
Look
might
at them
hurt.
toes. He's pretty
Come on, Lincoln, you can do it.
He's like, I can't
Come
get up there,
on.
Daddy.
You got it.
It's like, I want to play.
1 eternity later.
It's been a while since we vlogged. The kids had a neighbor friend come over, our actual next door neighbor. She came over to our house and then she played over here for probably, I want to say 2 hours. And then her mom was like, do you guys want to come play over at our house? And then my kids ended up getting in their swimming pool with their clothes on. So I went over there because obviously I don't want my friend to like have to supervise all 3 of my children, the oldest ones. Lincoln was still over here with me. I brought towels over there and we just got home. Now everyone's exhausted. Lincoln has not napped, so I'm gonna put everyone down for a nap while I do some laundry. I am not getting ready for the day, so this is the greatness you're gonna get to see today. And Louis had to go to work. Well guys, to be honest, I lied to you. I ended up taking a shower. I wanted to get in the bath. I wanted to shave my legs. All the kids are napping and then I was like, Mama has time to herself. I'm gonna take a shower, feel better. I'm not gonna do my makeup, I'm not gonna do my hair, but I showered. Now I'm gonna make some nachos. Louis is on his way home from work and everyone is still sleeping but Tatum, so they should be up soon.
20 minutes later.
They say to never wake sleeping children, but when dinner's ready and you want them to sleep tonight, you wake them up. Cassidy. Dinner's ready. Do you want dinner? Yeah. Lincoln, you want to eat? Mama. Oh, you were tired. Oh, that was so cozy, baby. Yeah? Yeah. Look at my fine hunka hunkin' butt and love. These are what I like to call it shows. Camden wanted to sleep in this room. Cam, you want to have dinner? That's one of my favorite parts, when they're like just fresh of waking up, when they're so cuddly.
1 hour later.
We're headed to the park now to enjoy this beautiful weather and get the kids, you know, some energy off them, even though they just really woke up, so they're not like hyper.
Some vitamin K from the sun.
Yeah, and it feels really good. Vitamin D.
I like vitamin K. Is there a vitamin K?
I don't know. I love having fun.
Oh my gosh, this kid's trying to get out.
Well, Lincoln wants to get out mid-walk. Okay, come on, Link. Tatum lost a shoe on the way here. You should be so happy that your mommy takes care of
Where
you.
did you see it at?
When we were walking by, I've had it the whole time. I pranked you.
Hey, that was not nice.
You need to watch where your shoes are.
I thought it was lost.
I know. You gotta pay attention.
I was just about to go and I was afraid I would fall.
I know.
Look.
Okay. Good job. So big. Good job, Lincoln. Oh. There he go. Peekaboo.
Faster. What makes this heart beat faster? What makes this heart beat faster? Tomorrow. Feel your sorrows. What makes this heart beat faster?
A few moments later.
We were out at the park and it started thundering really, really loud, and now we're getting ready to get a tornado warning, and there are clouds that are kind of spinning. They're kind of scary, so I think we're gonna go in our little storm area. It's getting a little scary. So here you can kind of see it spinning right there. There goes our tornado sirens. Okay. Hey kids, Daddy, come on. The tornado sirens are going off. Let's go in the closet. We were just at the park and now we're getting in because of the tornado sirens.
A few inches later.
So we have the kids in the bathroom with us, and then we're just kind of watching this. We haven't gotten hailed yet. It does seem like it's passing quite quickly, but any of these clouds could rotate and go different ways, and then we're crazy. Like, you can see some of those clouds.
Eventually.
All right, y'all, we are safe from the storm. Nothing severe happened. We didn't even have to go back into the little room that we go into called our safe place. The kids know exactly where our safe place is. And yeah, so we rode that thing out. Thankfully, there was nothing that severely happened here in our area in McKinney. However, there was a bad hailstorm, so our hearts go out to everybody that had any damage in that storm. Now we're going to watch a movie. We just put the kids to bed. I just made Louie and I our famous parfaits.
Oh,
and
yeah.
we are going to watch a show and just do us.
Where's the
Do you, baby boo. You guys, Louie and I are watching the movie and all of a sudden we hear all this hail. You guys see that hail? Sissy started crying. She woke up, and did it scare you?
Yeah.
She started screaming. But it's gonna be okay. It's
I
just
never
hail.
cried.
It's just hail. We have a roof over our head that's gonna keep us safe, okay?
No, we had an attic over our head.
Yeah, we have an attic over our head. Good job. Since the kids are a little scared to sleep in their bed tonight, we told them everything was going to be fine, but they want to sleep in our room, so we're going to let them.
We hope
You had a great day. We hope you had a great night. And remember, it's always
Have a
today.
great night.
Make it a good one.
Peace out.
And
A-town.
I love you.
I love you. Kisses and hugs.